I'm here with my son, Johnny Boy. Little Johnny, aka Little Johnny. And the ground is frozen, I mean solid. You wanna put your stick under this edge and push up, just be real easy. We'll have to take it over to probably to the water.
No, I don't know.
Kind of melt the ice off of it. Dang, let me see that and I'll video it. All right, guys, we're on the hunt today. Hopefully we're gonna find quite a few. And I'll get you, well, there it went. I just snapped it off. I thought I was gonna take it to the creek. Look there, guys. All right, let's find another one. Okay, Johnny and I just found one. Snap it off here. Dang, it is frozen. I'll have to put it in my glove for a few minutes. Hold it and it'll warm it up and it'll pop off there. I don't want to take a chance of snapping it. Okay, guys, let's find another one. Oh, man. Guys, I think we got one right here. I think the tip might be busted. I think it's just a scraper. But it's been worked. The top of it's been worked down. It's definitely a scraper. All right, guys, we'll find something else, we'll bring it. What was that again, did you just say?
And now you got me 2-1.
I seen a little triangle, guys.
He's lying, I found it.
Check that out. I told him you can't run up this bank. You gotta flick everything over. And if you don't flick the small stuff, guys, you're not gonna find the bird points, that's for sure. That shadow. Let me get over here in the light better. There we go. Beautiful little point. Beautiful little point. All right, guys, we found another one. We'll bring it. Okay, guys. Look at that scraper. That is beautiful. The mud off of it. Beautiful little scraper. That side broke off, but they rounded it down right here. All right, let's find something else. All right, guys, something else looks like it's been worked. Kind of moved it with my stick, like it had a base on it. Looks like the tips broke off of it. Find something else, I'll bring it. I'll do a cleanup. Show you what this looks like at the end. Okay, guys, I didn't find a whole lot today. I wish I could have had some better pieces for you. We tried anyway. Kind of a rough made piece here. This one, not the prettiest piece I've ever seen, but a little piece out of it right there. One of the best pieces I found as far as being intact is this little birdie. Pretty little piece. It's thin. Found this turkey tail scraper. Got another piece here that broke and they worked it down into a scraper. Another broke. Another turkey tail scraper, and this has got some pretty colors in it. I've actually got a piece right here. It's pretty much got the same type of colors in it. I found on the same bank. This piece here is whole except for this corner. And we got a big thick piece here that broke. It had been worked down. I don't know what it was. This piece here, ears broke off of it. I think this was like the first one we found this morning. First or second piece. I thought this was a scraper when I first seen it, but I think now it's a preform. It's so thick and you don't have a thumb spot on it, so I'm thinking it's a scraper. This piece here, I was kind of confused when I saw it. It's been rounded on both sides, but if you look at it, it looks like it was an arrowhead that broke, and I think they napped this corner down to where they could just use it as a thumb scraper and just use that one side where it broke. It's kind of what puts me in mind of what might have happened. Trying to get it to focus. There we go. And I had a big thick piece here. It's worked on both sides. It broke top and bottom. Either had a little Madison or a triangle here that snapped, or it could have been the top of a drill. Got a little knife here. They worked that side down a little bit to where it's sharp. We got another base that's broke. A little scraper. Pretty piece right here. Got a beautiful color to it. I think it's just a scraper. It's got the notches in it. It's sharp on the sides. Big piece here. I thought they might have used this end is sharp right there. I thought they might have used it as a scraper. Got a piece of something here. I don't know what it would have been, but they worked the side. It's broke there. A little bit's broke there. Just so we got a little tip, or it could be a base. Another broke arrowhead here. Tip. Got a scraper. Piece of something here. I don't know what it was. It was worked on both sides. Whatever it was, it snapped out there and on the upper side a little bit. A little base that broke. I think this is it's sharp on the end, so I don't know. Kind of like a drill, but I think they might have used this to scrape with. It's real sharp. This piece here, it's kind of like a V-notch scraper. It's been worked down on the inside edge right there. Seems like I'm having trouble getting this camera to focus. But it's got notches in there where they've actually sharpened it. There's so much going on in the background of this camera, I don't want to focus. I think this could have been the upper part of a drill, maybe. Then we've got tip of a drill there, and then this piece would have been nice. I'm pretty sure that was a drill, top of a drill, maybe. It's really sharp on the sides right there. Smooth on that side. I don't know about this piece. That's what we found today, guys. We've only got really one piece I can put in the case, and that's right here. So, all right, y'all have a good day.